How to change country on Remitly app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change country on the Remitly app. For this, open the Remitly app on your device. If you don't have this application, simply head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install it. Launch the application and make sure to sign into your account. After you have been signed in and you want to change your country, then follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the Manage option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you want to tap on the Profile option. Here you have all the information about your profile. You also have the option of sending from. As you can see, currently the country is United Kingdom. If you want to change the country, simply tap on the Edit option next to it. Now tap on this drop down menu and you have different countries that you can select from. Scroll down and select a country, or you can also tap on the search bar and then type in the country manually. Once you have found it, simply tap on the new country. Now if you want to confirm this change, tap on Save. As you can see, the country has been successfully changed on the Remitly app. One thing you have to remember is that every country have different requirements for sending money. So you want to make sure that you understand the requirement of the new country that you have chosen. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.